Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Visual Studio has the Python workload. This gives you IntelliSense, debugging, and environment tools. Once the installer adds Python development, make sure a Python 3. X interpreter exists on your machine or install one. Visual Studio will map to that interpreter. Then open Visual Studio and create a new Python application project. This creates a solution, an interpreter reference, and a default script file so you can start editing immediately. With the project open, set up the environment, choose an existing interpreter or create a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Use the Python environments window or run pip in the terminal to install packages. This ensures imports resolve and IntelliSense works. Once done, make sure the project's active environment is set in Solution Explorer and the correct script is marked as startup file. This tells Visual Studio what to run and how to attach the debugger. You're ready to run? Press F5 to launch with the debugger attached, or Ctrl plus F5 to run without breakpoints. Visual Studio will use the active interpreter and show console output. If breakpoints aren't hit, verify the startup file and debug settings, then rebuild. If Visual Studio can't find Python or IntelliSense is missing, open the installer to add the Python workload or manually add the interpreter path in Python environments. This single corrective step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.